Broots thinks about dudes in the shower. Happy gay month, everybody. What's up, everybody? Turkey here, coming at you with more Dick with Butt news. Now, I'm going to be just looking over the Dick with Butt price chart, talking about some possible outcomes of what could happen to the Dick with Butt price chart, and going over a tweet that I made for an influencer and just talking about that real quick. I'm going to keep it short and sweet today. Not too much stuff going on today. I'm going to be working on some stuff, and I'm going to be talking about with you guys later. Stick around till the end. Now, here we have the Dick with Butt price chart, everybody. Now, as always, I always say I look for this kind of a, like, curvature pattern and a flattening out at the bottom. I look for that every single fucking time. There's something going on right here, okay? There's something going on. I did delete the original resistance line because I think it's slightly lower. I drew that resistance line at about 45%. I was saying since up here, literally up here, I was saying at least a 40% dip, and we got about a 50. And I think I drew that line at about a 45. Now, if you zoom in, we are slightly coming back up. Ooh, a little too much. We are slightly coming back up. Now, are we going to continue coming up? I don't know. But here's the thing. If we do continue to go back up from this right here, we need to hit this. That's the only thing that matters. It's the only thing I care about. That's the only thing I think the majority of the market cares about. Any of these other there's no actual resistance. I mean, there's going to be resistance along the way, but nothing like the big support up here, or the big resistance up here at 0 or four zeros and a 2. So what I think will happen is if this is the end all be all of all pumps, well, not the end all, because it'll continue on forever, but if it continues to go up, I think we'll see some bounces, some dips, and some choppiness coming up, and then we'll hit it, and then we might dump, and then we'll pump at the end. So you'll make this nice cup and handle formation going up. Now, I think that's what will play out eventually if given enough time, because that's usually what plays out in these markets. The thing is that I know I watched Crypto Coffee's stream from yesterday where he shouted me out. I decided to watch the whole thing, so shout out to Crypto Coffee. I'm still going to torch you. Now, here's the thing. And I'm not just going to torch you for getting my fucking name wrong. I'm going to torch you because you don't own any fucking dick with butt, you son of a bitch. What? He's sitting here talking about how he wants an 80% dip. Okay? Now, here's what I'm going to say. The very first thing that I'm going to say about that. Mr. Crypto Coffee. And this goes to Sami too. Sami didn't say that there would be an 80% dip, but he posted a picture of yeah, so these are the ranges and where I would accumulate and stuff like that. He posted like a 50%, 70% dip, an 80% dip, whatever. But here's the fucking thing. Both of you need to look back at the chart. Because look at that. We had an 82% dip already in the fucking beginning. And you guys didn't fucking get in. So, what were you doing? You guys had this massive opportunity already. Because he's like, well, Dick with Butt would need to dip about 80%. And then I'd buy in. Motherfucker, it already did. It already dipped 80%. It dipped more than 80%, and you still didn't buy it. You didn't even know what it was. Or maybe you had heard of it, and you were like, well, that sounds dumb. You didn't buy it. You missed it. So is this going to dip 80%? Personally, I don't think so. I don't think we're going 80% dip right here. But let's say fucking Crypto Coffee gets his wish. Let's say he gets his wish. Let's say it chops here and maybe we go up for a little bit, but the momentum isn't strong enough, and eventually we come down and we test this level again, and then we go like that. Sure, I could maybe see that. And I'm only pointing this out because it is a possibility, and I don't want people to think that it's not. Because dips in this kind of shit can happen all the time. This shit could go down 90%. This shit could go down 99%. But do I think that's going to happen? Not necessarily. I don't think Dick with Butt is going to get a 99% dip. That's not happening, in my opinion. But you never know. You never know. I mean, fuck, Hex dipped 99%, like, from its all-time high. You don't fucking know what the hell's gonna happen. So, and it's the same thing with a meme token. Like, it's even worse with a meme token. You don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. So, it's me just being cautious and telling you guys, like, yes, anything can possibly happen. That's just what I think would happen if that were to play out. Like, if we did get a correction here, because I do kind of think we might be going up right here. It's too soon to tell, though. Like, this is just, it's a pump for ants, man. But, like, if we did start going up here, maybe we go up and, like, it can't get above, it can't get up. It needs Viagra, and we fucking go down. But you don't know. I think that the more likely scenario is we kind of chop here and we slowly work our way back up. But that's just me. Now I want to talk about this guy, Mr. Joe Parys. Parys. Yeah, this guy, Mr. Joe, looking so fine there with his bald head. I want to rub your head, sir. That came out wrong. Very wrong. Don't fucking... None of you clip that, ever. Disgusting. Happy Pride Month. Anyway, fucking... this dude was making posts, and I was posting under them. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I don't watch this guy, like, at all. I know he's, like, on YouTube, and I know that he makes, like, content and stuff about crypto. This fucking dude posted about Axie Infinity and of course got 19 fucking likes on it. Womp womp. And I posted a picture of a dick with a butt and I get 53 fucking likes. Hell yeah, dude. So we fucking dominated this fucker. I even made a post saying, hey, come on out here and fucking help me ratio Mr. Joe here. And we did. We absolutely fucking crushed it. The thing is, he didn't really seem to care. He didn't notice this post at all. But I will show you one thing. I made another post on one of his posts. I think I made 3. I did 3 comments in total on his posts. And here's the thing. He liked this comment here. It's the one with me in the dick with butt outfit. Now, I don't know how many communities are out there that actually create, like, mascots for their token. Because, like I was talking about in my video yesterday, it's like, dude, I swear to God, it's all fucking dog tokens, and there's, like, 20,000 of them. Like, how many dog token mascots would there fucking need to be? Like, come on. Like, I'm not making a mascot for every dog token that's fucking out there, or every fucking other dumb fuck ass. Like, I would never make, like, a teddy bear mascot. Like, why? You know what I mean? But, like, a dick with a butt, that's kind of unique, I feel. Like, how many people are actually going out and making mascots of their fucking token? I'm asking a legitimate question. If anyone has anybody or knows of people that made an outfit or made, like, a costume or a fucking thing for their mascot, send it to me. I want to see it because I need ideas. Like, fucking, and another reason why I ask is because I don't, honest to God, think that there's actually that many fucking people that are doing this. Who the fuck else is doing this? No one. Who the fuck else is out here making daily content for one token? No one. It's just fucking me. Now, I digress. Fucking... Anyway, Joe liked this one right here. This specific image. This specific tweet. And I thought that was interesting because, like, dick with butt... It's a sticky image. Like, people think it's funny and it's entertaining. But goddamn, he at least gave me credit for the dick with butt outfit. Now, I will also say I have interacted with Joe in the past. he does tend to just like shit just to like shit. Kind of like Sami will just like shit to like shit. Like, it doesn't necessarily mean that he likes it or anything, but at least he's fucking... I can see that he's at least, like, looked at it. You know what I mean? Like, he saw the fucking image. Like, he saw the dick with the butt outfit. You know what I mean? So, is he gonna talk about it? I doubt it. But, like, hell, it's worth a shot, right? Fuck it. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to keep it short and sweet today. I'll have more news for you guys tomorrow, more videos for the rest of this week coming up, and I have something cooking this weekend. Not only am I going to be well, I'm for sure going to be making more videos with the dick with butt outfit, and you'll probably see more of that this weekend. For sure, you're going to get more videos, daily content like this, and there's something coming this weekend. I'm hoping it's this weekend. I'll let you guys know. I'm super fucking excited about it. I hope you guys are excited about it. A lot of you guys have asked me about it, and it's fucking coming. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but there's something coming. I have some shit fucking cooking right now, and you guys are possibly going to see it this weekend. So I just have to wait and see if everything works out with it, and yeah, you guys are going to be getting a huge fucking surprise. Huge fucking surprise. And it's not just a surprise for you guys. Like, it's a gift for you guys, and it's a surprise for you guys, and it's something I think you guys will really enjoy. But it's also something that's going to change a lot of what I do. So, anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, everything down below in the comments. Show me you guys want this fucking content. Show me the fucking love, baby, because I'm going to continue to show you guys the love and continue to make content. The more you guys show me the fucking love, you show me the love down below in the comments, you share me around on Twitter, you share me on socials, you fucking like, comments, share, subscribe, ring the fucking bell, all that bullshit. And of course, as always, none of this is financial advice. Do your own fucking research, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.